Tonight, the News 6 investigators are getting involved after a local woman got something unexpected in the mail.
A brochure, she says, is critical of the coronavirus vaccine and could prevent people from maybe getting the shot. News 6 investigator Maris Badcock joins us with the story all new at 6. Maris, the woman didn't recognize the sender but decided to open it because it looked like could be some important information about something else, right?
That's exactly right. At first glance, she thought it might be back-to-school information related to her granddaughter's education. The sender was from schooling, and the first flyer, received right here, offered a back-to-school checklist. So we went looking for the source of this document.
And one of the things on here has get school supplies.
Glossy pages and colored print.
I thought maybe it was from the school.
Julie Sussman says these unsolicited professional-looking materials showed up in her mailbox.
It's quite a nice put-together brochure with a QR code and phone numbers. And I started reading, and then I realized what it was.
Disguised at first as a back-to-school checklist, Julie says it's actually an anti-vaccine brochure.
I saw it, I was just like, oh no, not now, not Central Florida.
The brochure includes anonymous testimonials from people who say they've had bad reactions to the vaccine, statements from doctors concerned about the vaccine, and a full page criticizing incentives to get the shot. Julie thinks this all adds up to a campaign to push people from getting vaccinated.
It scared me. It scared me because people right now should be listening to the medical professionals, not some random thing that comes in the mail.
News 6 called both numbers on the back of the brochure. Both numbers took us to a pre-taped recording for a group called SOMEC, a Jewish organization who immediately acknowledged the existence of the brochure and denied publishing it.
Please note, recently it was brought to our attention that a brochure was sent out in our name without our knowledge. It has no connection to us.
I'm calling to find out if a person claiming to be a rep for SOMEC also denied publishing the brochure. A QR code on the pages took us to a downloadable version of the flyer, a document we chose not to download since we couldn't verify the source of the info. We then went to the website provided on the back of the brochure, americasfrontlinedoctors.org, and researched the group. We discovered the founder, Dr. Simone Gold, was charged with disorderly conduct for her participation in the Capitol riots, according to federal documents. We reached out to Gold and her group to see if they produced the brochure, but they have not yet responded. While the vaccine debate continues in homes and social media platforms across America, Sussman wanted people to know it's not about whether or not you're vaccinated. It's about vetting where your information is coming from.
It is a personal decision. Whatever you choose to do, you choose to do. It's just that having this show up in such a professional format, I don't think we should be listening to flyers in the mail. We should be listening to our own doctors or pharmacists or, the people that we trust that take care of our health, not something that just shows up in the mail.
The literature also specifically criticizes the Pfizer vaccine, saying it's not approved. It's important to stress that all of the vaccines in use in Central Florida have received emergency use authorization by the FDA. And tonight, the New York Times is reporting that the FDA is pushing to give full approval to the Pfizer vaccine on Monday. We reached out to MediaWise, a nonprofit fact-checking group. They tell me one of the first things you can do when you receive unsolicited info like this is to check the source of the information and verify first if they have an agenda. And if you have concerns like Julie, give me a call. I'm Maris Badcock, getting results, News 6.